Your most important asset is not your money, not your job, not your time. It's your health. And today, healthcare is still stuck in the past. You wait weeks. You get rushed for 7 minutes. You leave confused. You Google symptoms. You get panic or false comfort or both. Just like AI changed how we work, learn, and create, now it's coming for the most important system of all. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Health. Not a hospital, not a doctor, a personal AI health copilot. You describe symptoms in plain English. You understand lab reports. You prepare smarter questions before seeing your doctor. You track treatments and medications. You stop being confused. You start being informed. This does not replace doctors. It multiplies their effectiveness. Better information in, better decisions out. This is not about apps. This is about upgrading the human operating system. The future belongs to those who use AI as a tool, not those who fear it, not those who ignore it. This is the AI lifestyle revolution, and healthcare just joined it.